TDUP stock analysis for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Let's really talk about it. ThredUp stock, see a $6.92 per price level. These are my previous predictions. I'm the only guy, by the way, in this space that has done these types of videos for 40,000 times and documented them all. Right, so you can like literally check out my YouTube channel. But unironically, it's still a bullish market. Beforehand, I was looking to take it up, which kind of went and then came to shit. You know, it was a break even. And then I'm looking to double down again because we've came such a long way. The only way that I'm looking to buy really is if it does pull down and then gives me some sort of a shift in a double break. But other than that, randomly getting involved in buying, it's never going to be the case for me at least. And all I have here is just, again, me waiting for a confirmation. Last thing I'm doing is forcing. And I always am saying this, and I'm still going to keep saying it, but forcing trades I've never came on top. I mean, look, I've done this for 5 years and I've seen what's making me money. So I'm just trying to be upfront. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.